Heat damage where? Where? What heat damage? Where do you see heat damage at? Y'all tell me. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you an update on my Olaplex hair journey. I recently suffered some heat damage, mild heat damage, but still heat damage that really took a toll on my hair, and I decided to use Olaplex to help me bring my hair back to life because it happened once before and Olaplex did a great job. So yeah, in one word, how it's going? Excellent. Y'all hear me? Excellent. Heat damage where? Where? What heat damage? Where do you see heat damage at? Y'all tell me. Okay, so the products I have been using, this Olaplex No. 0, this is like a primer and you don't have to have it, but I'm using everything that I can to help my hair recover. To me, this is worth the money. Next, I put this Olaplex No. 3 on top of the No. 0. This is the Hair Perfector, aka Miracle in a Bottle. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. If you choose to not use this, get this. This is the miracle product that's going to help bond your hair together and bring those curls back to life. Now, this is a new product I've incorporated into my Olaplex hair recovery journey. This is their Bond Maintenance Shampoo, the No. 4. Y'all, this stuff, the lather, just put a drop in your hair. The lather is unreal and it makes your hair feel so freaking soft. Oh, I love it. Expensive? Yes. Worth it? Yes. The directions say to use every time you shampoo or after rinsing Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector from hair, lather, rinse. Baby, that lather is an experience. Woo! My hair felt very clean, but it didn't feel stripped. And that's what I love about it. And just the fact that all you need is a little bit. And I mean very little, because y'all already know this stuff ain't cheap, okay? But it is worth every freaking penny. Now, the other part of my treatment plan involves scalp massages, and I am still doing that regularly, and I think that is also helping. And I also said that I was going to use Jamaican black castor oil, and I was at first, but now it's starting to get warmer. I live here in Georgia, so I'm using a lighter oil. This right here, honey. This Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. Y'all, it is everything. So yeah, just a few drops in my scalp, and then I do that scalp massage, and that's what I'm doing so far, and it is working. Now, do I still have heat damage? I do. Like this part right here, well, I just did a wash and go, and I fluffed it up, so some of it may look a little frizzy, and I also stretched it out. But I can tell you that this side of my hair usually has looser curls anyway, but there are still some pieces that don't curl as much as they used to. But my hair looks thicker and fuller. And by the way, if you want to see how I did this wash and go, I'll put the link to that video up here in the cards. Wherever it is, I'll put it up there if you want to see it. One of the things that I learned when you have a setback is patience, for one, because it's going to take some time. But the second thing you need to remember, consistency. If you are consistent with your routine, your hair will start to recover. And before you know it, it's going to be healthy and thriving again. Now, another part of my treatment plan was to stay away from direct heat like blow dryers and flat irons. But y'all, my hair was so uneven, and it's still uneven, but I did give it a little bit of a trim. So I did blow dry it, but I used the tension method so it didn't touch my hair, and I used the flat iron to straighten it out a little bit so I can try to see if my hair was even, or get it even rather. But the flat iron was not on high, it was on a low temperature, so I did have to make that sacrifice and do that. But my curls still came back, everything bounced back, and my hair looks a whole lot better. Yes, it's still uneven, but it looks a whole lot better. Let me show you. Now for the rest of this video, you're gonna see me apply my Olaplex products, and then you're gonna see me shampoo my hair. So for the rest of this video, I'm not gonna do too much talking because I do have other Olaplex videos where I go into great detail about the products and how I use them. So if you wanna see any of those, I will put them in the description box, the links to those videos below. So yeah, that's about it. Y'all ready? Let's do it.